Hi everyone, welcome to Stitched Serenity. My name is Tanique and I am a Jamaican crochet artist and small business owner. On my channel, I will be sharing easy to follow tutorials, creative ideas, behind the scenes of my small business, and other tips for handmade businesses as well. If you love crochet or if you're just starting out, you're in the right place. So grab your yarn and your hook and let's get started. For this tutorial, I'll be showing you how to make a chain and we'll be using simple materials. Here I have some red yarn. I'll also be using a 4.0mm hook and a pair of scissors, which I'll be using off screen, but this is typically what you need to make your work: the yarn, the hook, and the scissors. Alright, so to begin, we are going to take the yarn and we're going to put it on our non-dominant hand. So if you're right-handed, you'll be holding the yarn with your left hand. If you're left-handed, you'll be holding the yarn with your right hand. Ensure that the hook is pointing down, not up. If it points up, you won't be able to hook the yarn properly. So you're going to wrap the yarn over the index finger of your non-dominant hand. Use your thumb and your middle finger to kind of like hold the yarn in place so it's snug and not too loose, but don't hold it too tight either. You're then going to take your hook, ensure the point of it is pointing down. You're going to push it underneath the yarn that's on your finger and raise it up a little bit to kind of loosen the yarn, and then you're going to twist it in that motion. That's how you make a slip knot. You're going to go back underneath that same yarn and you're going to kind of like hold on to that little twist that you made earlier with your thumb and index finger so that it doesn't unravel, and then pull that bit of the yarn through. You're going to end up pulling the short end of the tail tight, and that's how you make a slip knot. So again, you're going to insert the hook underneath the yarn and you're going to raise it up a bit. After raising it up a bit to loosen it, you're going to wrap it around or twist it just like that, and then you're going to go back underneath the yarn. Use the hook to hook the yarn. Use your fingers to hold on to that little twist that you make, and then you pull it through, and that is how you make a slip knot. Now that you've made the slip knot, to make the chain, it's very simple and easy. All you have to do is push the hook underneath the yarn like that and grab the yarn with the hook like you did previously and pull it through the loop that's already on your hook. So go under, hook, and pull through the loop. Go underneath, hook the yarn or grab the yarn with the hook and pull it through the loop that's on your hook. And that's basically what you're going to continue doing for however long you decide to make the chain. If this is your very first time making a chain, what you can do is you can use your thumb to hold on to the first chain that would have been there, much like you see me doing right now. So each time I make a chain, I move my thumb up and I hold on to it to ensure that it's secure and to ensure that I'm not making my chains too loose. And that is pretty much it. This is the simplest way to explain how to make a chain. Naturally, you're not going to hold your hook and your yarn the same way I do. What I want you guys to do is practice holding the hook. Everybody holds their hook differently. Everybody holds their yarn differently. This is just how I was taught to do it when I was 10 years old, and this is the method that I've been following. If you're comfortable doing this, then that's great. If you aren't, then just keep practicing until you find a way that's comfortable for you. And that's it for today's tutorial. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found it very helpful. Remember to like and subscribe to my channel so you don't miss the next video, and feel free to share it as well and leave a comment. I'd love to hear from you guys. Have fun crocheting, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.